The bivalent booster vaccine is a new vaccine that provides protection against the original strain of COVID-19 as well as the two more recent variants, BA.4 and BA.5. So we recommend that anyone over 12 years of age who has already completed their primary series of vaccination and who hasn't had a vaccine in the last 2 months get this new booster vaccine. It really helps to augment the protection against some of these more recent variants that we were finding were not well protected against with the original vaccine. We know that the COVID vaccines have done a really good job of preventing serious illness, hospitalizations, and deaths from COVID-19. And as we've seen new variants emerge, we've seen that some of these variants are able to get around the immunity that was provided by the original vaccines. We know that once you get these booster vaccines, you again have good protection from serious illness, hospitalization, and death from some of the more recent variants. The boosters that were released in September, they're different than the prior boosters that were available to the public. And so if you have not had a booster dose within 2 months, you should go out and get the new booster vaccine. It'll provide you with a bit more varied immunity to the more recently circulating strains of COVID. There's this concept of herd immunity or community immunity. So that occurs when most people in a population are immune or protected from an infection. If you can't get the infection, then you can't transmit it to someone else. And we know that when we have high levels of community immunity, that protects people who either are not vaccinated or are not eligible for a vaccine, or who might not mount the same response or protective response to the vaccine that they received. For example, the most common example of this would be someone who has a weakened immune system. So even if they get the vaccine, they might not get as much protection as someone with a healthy immune system, and all of the people around them being vaccinated and protected really helps to protect that person in that situation as well.